Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about WorldRemit, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, what is the WorldRemit discount code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, it's going to be a quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also be sure to check my video description, I'll try to leave my WorldRemit discount code there. But if you're looking for your WorldRemit discount code, it's all handled here in the app. It's this purple and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open my WorldRemit app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my WorldRemit app. This is the home screen that's going to show you all the recent transactions that you've done with WorldRemit. But if you're looking for your WorldRemit discount code, you have two different ways to find it. The first is going to be this banner here at the top. The second is going to be here in this account button here on the bottom right. Now, one thing I want to let you know is WorldRemit does not give you access to their discount code until you have sent at least one transaction with WorldRemit. So if your WorldRemit discount code does not appear here at the top or here on the bottom right, that could be one of the reasons why. So this is the easiest way to get in touch with your WorldRemit discount code is by clicking this link here at the top, and that will bring you to your WorldRemit discount code page. The second way is by clicking on the account button down here. Let me click on this little person now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. You're going to get this profile drop down and you'll see your WorldRemit discount code right here. If yours does not appear here, it's probably because you have not sent an initial transaction with WorldRemit. But let me go ahead and click on my WorldRemit discount code now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and as you can see, your WorldRemit discount code will populate right here. This is only for new users that you invite to use WorldRemit. And you can see the promotion right here. For every friend you invite who sends at least $100 US, you each get $20 US. Now your promotion could be different than mine depending on which type of currency you normally work in. Also the time that you're looking at the video, this promotion could have changed. But if you'd like to share your WorldRemit discount code, the easiest way to do it is clicking on this purple button. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next you're going to get this share menu right here. So what I normally do is I'll click this copy button. I'm going to click there now. Okay, now my WorldRemit discount code has been copied to my clipboard, so you can easily paste your WorldRemit discount code into a Facebook post, or you can text message it to someone or email it to someone, and it gives them an easy to click button that brings them right to the WorldRemit discount code page. Let me go ahead and show you what that link looks like. Okay guys, I went ahead and pasted my WorldRemit discount code into my notepad. And as you can see, they're going to receive a little blip on what the promotion is that your WorldRemit discount code has, along with an easy to click link that will bring them directly to a page that gives them access to your WorldRemit discount code. So there you have it guys, that's the easiest way I know how to get in touch with your WorldRemit discount code. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.